question is about ketones as signaling molecules and DNA repair. And is there any way to actually physically observe the DNA repair? Like, what might somebody notice if they're in ketosis and they're benefiting in this way? Well, first of all, a little background. All sorts of things, such as ultraviolet radiation, might cause DNA strand breaks to occur. And this is what you want to repair. So we know ketones may reduce the production of reactive oxygen species. These are nasty little molecules that can induce DNA damage. We also know that ketones can improve the capacity to buffer reactive oxygen species by increasing antioxidant defenses. So while the DNA itself is obviously not visible to the naked eye, we can anticipate things like faster wound healing, reduced tissue damage, etc., etc. And these we often can see with our own eyes. It's just tricky to associate what you're seeing with the resolution of DNA damage. But the result of less DNA damage should be visible to the naked eye.